So how do we treat kidney stones with Chinese medicine? So Chinese medicine has grown very popular in the past number of years, especially acupuncture. Acupuncture has become a very, very popularly used modality for various types of pain. And obviously kidney stones is one of the worst pains people come to us with. In some cases, I've had female patients describe kidney stone pain as being worse than child labor. So that tells you a little bit something about how bad the pain can be from kidney stones. Now, sure, acupuncture can help with that pain. I've had a few cases where acupuncture actually helped and excreting stones, but it's actually not my first choice for anybody that comes in complaining of kidney stones, both actively in their ureters or those that are still in their kidneys. There's actually an approach that I've used for some time now that works considerably better in my experience, and it's an herbal medicine approach where we combine a variety of herbs to help excrete the stones. So what I always do is I always start with a base formula, something called Bajing San. And it's about 8 herbs put together that is really designed to treat urinary tract infections. It's very anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and it serves as a nice base because it helps in inducing urination. It helps take down inflammation. And if there is any infection present, it helps in addressing that. Now, this is actually only a very small part of the formula. I add to that something called yuan hu, which is an herb that basically is a very potent painkiller. Now, because these stones can be so painful, this is an important herb to add in there. Additionally, this helps in softening spasmodic conditions. So when you've got these kidney stones, they come out of the kidney and into the ureter, they can actually get stuck in the ureter, causing the ureter to spasm. This can be extremely painful. So having an herb in there that not only deals with the pain, but also deals with this spasming ureter is extremely important. I add to that something called Chuqianzi, which is also another diuretic type herb, but it also helps soothe the irritations along the urinary tract and actually promotes mucus along the urinary tract, which aids in helping the stones themselves pass. In addition to that, I add a couple of herbs, Haijin Cha, Jin Qian Cao, which actually help break down and soften the stones themselves, which makes it easier for you to pass them, basically. Generally, I like to see stones, 5 millimeters or less, but my record holder had about a 6x9 millimeter stone that they passed, and they said it was a relatively painless experience. So that's a little bit about how we treat kidney stones with Chinese medicine.